Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to listen to books on iPhone. Here are the easy steps to listen to books on your iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the App Store. Tap the Search tab at the bottom right. Type or Audible or any audiobook app you prefer to. If not installed, tap Get to download the app if it's not already installed. Once installed, open the app by tapping Open. Sign in with your Apple or Amazon account. If required, tap the search icon inside the app. Tap the search bar and search for the book you want to listen to. Then hit search. Tap the book to open its details page. Select Buy, Download, Get or Add to Library depending on availability. Once the audiobook is downloaded, tap Read, tap Play to start listening. Tap on the pop-up menu on the bottom. Use the playback controls like play, pause, skip forward, or backward to manage listening. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.